Quite unlike people who build bridges or houses, we software folks tend to have substantially different opinions about the software process. That is, about what stages a software project should go through and in what manner it should go through them. To express our ideas, we use what is called a software development process model, an abstract, high-level description of the life cycle of a software project. One of the oldest and most popular development models is called the Waterfall model. It looks like this. There are half a dozen stages: systems engineering, requirements analysis, design, coding, testing, and finally maintenance. The model also comes with a prescription that says that these stages need to be sequenced in a fairly rigid manner. Let's take a closer look at what goes on in each of these stages.